Hey guys, welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to be working on the RZR, making it a little bit more comfortable for the passengers. And how we're going to be doing that is storage. We tend to run out of storage and finding ways to store stuff where it's not all in the passengers' feet and everything. So a couple weeks ago, we put this Assault Industries cooler in the back, and it works good. Keeps stuff cold for days, and we're just putting stuff in the floorboard of the RZR, and it tends to get in the passengers' ways of their feet and everything. And I carry a first aid kit, air compressor, and all that. And today, that's what we're going to be working on, is where can we put that stuff? How can we get it out from the floorboard without trying to strap it down with too many straps on the roof or anything like that? And that's how we're going to solve this today. So I went down and I got some Packout stuff from Milwaukee. So we're going to work on getting this Packout on top of the Assault Industries, as it comes with inserts for the rack. And then I'm going with the Milwaukee Packout box. And that's what we're going to work on today, is getting this attached to the Assault Industries cooler. Alright guys, now we're all set up and we're ready to go. So we've got our Milwaukee Packout bottom rack, our mounting plate, but it's too big to fit in the back of the RZR on top of the Assault Industries mounting plate for the cooler. So we've got it attached. Now we're just going to cut it down to size where we need it so we can attach it to our Assault Industries plate and then get it mounted. Perfect. Now I'll come through and I'll round all these edges up some, make it look a little neater. But then our Milwaukee large Packout box will fit right on here. It'll look all squared off. We'll round this edge right here to match the other side. Round all this up real good. Be good to go. Alright, so while I had the camera off, got this all cleaned up, looking good, and I got my Assault Industries plate for the top of the cooler. I went ahead and added some nut certs into it, had to drill the holes a little bit bigger, put some M6 nut certs in it, so then I can mount this back on the cooler, and then I can get my pack mount and then just bolt it right to the top and ready to add my large Packout box to it. So we'll get over there and get started. Alright, so we got our Assault Industries plate for the top of the cooler. We're going to start by getting it back on. Get it lined up here. Get our bolts started. So when you get this cooler, it comes with this plate, and it comes with two lengths of bolts and 2 different sizes of spacers. I went with the short bolts and short spacers because I don't need it super high. And they're just little, they're M6 bolts. And the nut zerts I went with when I drilled the holes are M6. So everything is the same size. So then we'll get these tightened down, short to spec. Just tight. So I'm excited to see how this turns out. There we go. Perfect. Then we get this guy. And we'll stand on my hitch. Get my bolts in here. Get all these loosely fitted. Just like so. So I'm done here. Come on. There we go. Oh. Bam. Done. All right, guys. So I got the Milwaukee large Packout box installed. Looks good. Tell me what you guys think. It's on there. Cooler, still accessible. Box is fully loaded, not too heavy. Just have basic recovery stuff, air compressor, first aid kit, a couple of tools. I think it's gonna work out nice. Clears up the room and the floorboard and the seats for my kids, passengers for the weekend out in the mountains, the sand dunes. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment what you want to see more of. Be sure to check out the website as more things are coming. So stay tuned.